Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to unmatch in Boo dating app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Boo dating application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, where exactly can you get the Boo dating app? Now, you can get Boo on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Boo and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to unmatch in Boo dating app. Let's say you sent a request to someone and you matched with a person and you want to unmatch the person because you don't want to have connection with the person. You don't want to connect with the person. You don't want to reach out to the person again, and you just want to unmatch the person, not necessarily to block the person. Here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple icons representing diverse features. You have match, you have search, you have create, you have universes, and you have messages. Now go ahead and click on the messages tab, and that's going to take you right into the messages window. In here, you're going to see a list of people that you have connected with. Okay, so I don't have matches yet, and I have not responded to anyone. I've not reached out to anyone. I've not connected with anyone. So I don't have anyone that I'm, having a conversation with. But if you do, you're definitely going to find a list of the people you're connected with right here in Boo from this window. So if you want to unmatch someone, just go ahead and click on the name of the person, open the chat of the person that you want to unmatch. And once you open the chat, at the top right corner of the chat window, you're going to find the three dots menu. So go ahead and click on the three dots menu, and you're going to see a couple of options. And one of the options include unmatch. So click on unmatch, and that's going to be it. That person is going to be unmatched. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.